Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys a powerful strategy. This strategy is what I used when I was a beginner and I love it until today. It helps beginners. And I'm going to do a compounding session also, so guys stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find value in it and you find some pro tips that could help you, because I always share pro tips for my loyal subscribers. So let's get into the trades. Okay, so this is my first trade. Yes guys, so I want to explain this strategy to all of you. And as you could see, the MACD has crossed right here. The momentum indicator has been showing me a lot of green candles for a very long time, right? So this shows me that the market is very bullish. No second guessing about this. It's social. Pay attention to how many green candles are here. Then we have MACD crossing, which is so powerful because MACD shows us the overall momentum of the market also. And then we have our parabolic giving us a signal, and we all know parabolic is so good if you have the right settings. And this trade is going to be a win. I'm going to explain the rest and the next trade. Beautiful. Yes guys, so I have a pro tips for all my loyal subscribers. All who stay tuned to the end of the video. I have a very useful pro tip for you guys. You're gonna love this one, I'm being honest. This might change the way how you look at parabolic SAR. I promise you that. Anyway, yes, as you can see right here, we have a momentum coming down, right? A momentum consists of 3 candles, right? I'm going to explain momentum a little bit more after this trade closes, because a lot of viewers requested me to create a video about momentums, right? So I'm going to explain the momentum. If you guys don't like that, you could skip to the next trade when this closed. But I want to explain momentum for some of my viewers. So yes, momentum is whenever you see 3 candles, 1, 2, 3 in a row. But you need to understand something. A momentum only be strong whenever each candle closes below each candle. You see what I'm saying? You notice all of them close below each other. Okay, I'm entering this trade right there, but I'm a little bit late for this trade. My entry is bad. I'm gonna do something and I don't want you guys to repeat this, but if it comes down, I'm gonna try and save my trade. If it doesn't come down, I won't try to save it. Okay, so that is a better entry. Yes, so back to what I was saying, right? A momentum consists of 3 candles, right? As you could see right here, 1, 2, 3, right? Each candle closes below each other, and you notice the next candle was red, right? Pay attention to right here. This candle closed below this, but this one didn't close below this. What happened? It reverses. See? So this is why momentum need to be detected in the market. Guys, if you want deep analysis about trading and all those stuff, you could check my Telegram there. I give free strategies, and I also show you how to manage your money so that you could be profitable in the long run. Let's find our next trade. Okay guys, so this is the pro tip for today for all my loyal subscribers. So guys, if you could see properly right here, the candles breaks the parabolic SAR, right? This tells me that the buyers now take control of the sellers because these parabolics were indicating selling direction, meaning the sellers were stronger. Now the buyer's parabolic enters and we break the parabolic. Plus MACD, which is so powerful. You could check the accuracy for MACD and Google. It's so good. And it crosses right here. Plus we have our momentum showing us that, hey, we're going higher. And we combine all these things with momentum also, guys. Right? Because as I was saying to you guys about momentums are three candles in a row. I'm going to continue talking about this thing on the next trade. For today's indicator, I'm going to choose MACD. This is my favorite indicator, to be honest with you guys. I'm going to choose 14 and 24 and 8. Okay. I like to thicken the line so I can see the price much better. As I always said, guys, colors and thickness of the lines is up to you because it's personal. So for the next one, we're using momentum. And we're gonna choose 15. I'm gonna keep the styles the same. For the next indicator, it's gonna be parabolic. Right? Now for the parabolics, I'm going to fine tune it some more to 27 and this to 0.22. No, 23, sorry. And then I'm going to change the colors to white 2 pixels. Yes, so these are the settings for today's indicator. I hope you guys find this strategy very useful. Let's get into the trades. Okay, so basically I'm taking a trade right here and the regular pair. So I'm trying to show you guys something here. This strategy even works on the regular pair also. So if you are a type of person who don't like OTC, no problem. You could trade this strategy on the regular pair, right? And I'm trying to show you right here that it works because we have MACD crosses, right? We have the parabolic over, so this strategy is the only thing that is against us was the momentum. But because I see that MACD momentum is going down, I develop my confidence and I see that there is 3 candles in a row, so I become more confident in the trade. I hope you understand. This trade I just took was experience combined with the strategies, right? Because the momentum wasn't that strong, but it's okay because the last candle closed below the second candle. So I'm observing stuff, guys. I'm going to talk about everything on the next trade. Okay. What I was trying to say to you guys previously, I'm using experience to trade right here, okay, with the strategies. The reason why I said that is, as you can see, there is 3 candles in a row. Think about it, common sense, right? If you see 3 candles in the same direction, obviously there is something going on, right? Obviously, the sellers are stronger than buyers because they entered the market 3 times. And this is why momentum is so crucial. Guys, I teach all of these things in my free Telegram group. And this is a winning trade. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's find our next trade. Okay, guys. So this trade here, it's pretty decent. Also, we don't have the momentum going down very strongly on the indicator, but on the chart, I could see that the chart momentum is strong. Pay attention. One, two, three, four candles in a row, right? Plus, I have the parabolic SAR telling me down, plus the MACD momentum indicator saying go down, 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 down. So that's why I know for sure this trade will be a sure shot. For this momentum right here, it shows me how strong the market is. But guys, if you pay attention, you notice the green candle right here was very weak. So that's how I know that the momentum was trying to go down. And this is why I say experience is good to have with indicators. And in my Telegram group, I will teach you guys how to become more experienced in the market, how to be a proper trader, how to analyze the market, all those stuff. And if you guys are interested, the platform registration link will be in the description. You could create a free account and trade and practice this strategy. Always remember that before you take a trade, you want to see parabolic SAR over the candle, MACD crosses, and the momentum going down. Try to be as perfect as possible. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.